Hello, word enthusiasts, and welcome back to another episode of Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this linguistic adventure. Today's word is cafe. It's an A1 level noun, and it means a small restaurant. So, what exactly is a cafe? Well, think of it as a cozy, often casual place where you can grab a coffee, a light meal, or a snack. It's a social hub, a place to relax, and sometimes even a makeshift office for freelancers. Now, let's explore some synonyms for cafe. One common synonym is coffee shop. For example, I met my friend at the coffee shop at 3 p.m. Another synonym is bistro. A bistro is often a bit more upscale than a cafe, but the general idea is the same, a place to eat and drink. For instance, they enjoyed a romantic dinner at the charming bistro. Another similar word could be diner, especially when the cafe has a more vintage look. An example could be, the diner was busy even at 10 a.m. Another synonym is tea room, especially for those places which are known for serving tea more than coffee. Let's go to the tea room this afternoon for scones. Another similar word is snack bar, where you can have a quick snack. For example, I stopped by the snack bar to get a sandwich. Now, let's consider the opposite, or antonyms, of cafe. One antonym could be restaurant. While a cafe offers a more relaxed and limited menu, a restaurant typically has a more extensive and formal dining experience. For instance, we celebrated our anniversary at a fancy restaurant. Another antonym could be bar. A bar primarily focuses on alcoholic beverages, whereas a cafe centers around coffee, tea, and light food. For example, they went to the bar after work for drinks. Another opposite of cafe would be eatery, because a eatery provides more elaborate meals than you would find in a cafe. An example could be, the eatery down the street is quite affordable. Another opposing word is club, because a club is more focused on events or social gatherings other than food. The club had a live band playing on Saturday. Another antonym is fast food restaurant. Unlike cafe, you can't relax and often can't sit to eat. For example, the fast food restaurant was full of people. Let's talk about how you can use the word cafe in everyday life. Imagine you're meeting a friend. You could say, let's meet at the cafe on Main Street. Or if you're looking for a place to work, you might say, I'm going to the cafe to get some work done. You can say, this cafe has the best latte. I like this cafe's atmosphere. I always study at the cafe. The cafe opens at 7 a.m. She works at the cafe part-time. Some common expressions involving cafe might be something like, that cafe is always buzzing with activity. Or I discovered a hidden gem of a cafe in the alleyway. Here's some more examples of how cafe can be used in sentences and phrases. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee filled the cafe. They sat at a table outside the cafe, watching people go by. The cafe offers a variety of pastries and sandwiches. The cafe's Wi-Fi is free and reliable. She sketches in her notebook while sipping tea at the cafe. The cafe is a popular spot for students to study. So, to recap, a cafe is a small restaurant, often serving coffee, tea, and light meals. Synonyms include coffee shop, bistro, diner, tea room, and snack bar. Antonyms include restaurant, bar, eatery, club, and fast food restaurant. You can use the word cafe in countless everyday situations, from meeting friends to finding a place to work. Remember, language learning is all about practice. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Hello Word. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find our show and continue their English learning journey. Now, for your homework. Create your own sentence using the word cafe and share it in the comments below the video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next episode of Hello Word. Goodbye for now.